Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my honeymoon vlog. We went to Italy and Paris for about 2 weeks and I'm so excited to take you guys along with us. Our trip started on 8th of February 2024. We were flying Emirates and honestly, I was really excited for this flight. It was so comfortable, the seat was spacious and overall it was really nice experience. As you can see, I'm just giving you guys a little glimpse of the flight and my seat. It was a connecting flight, so we first had to stop at Dubai and then take our next flight to our first destination, which is Milan. We were served food on the flight, and yes, that is apple juice in case you were wondering. I watched the movies, I watched Friends actually, had my food, and basically just enjoyed the flight. And just like that, we had already reached Dubai for our next connecting flight. From there we had to change terminals, so we took this little train inside the airport to change the terminals. And I had to try Shake Shack because I had heard so much about it and I was kind of disappointed. Actually, it was average. After that, we boarded our flight to Milan. I was a little pissed because I didn't get a window seat here, but thankfully I got this empty seat next to me, so I was happy again. And finally, we reached our first destination, which is Milan. Our cab was already waiting for us at the airport, so we just got in and headed straight to our hotel. It was raining when we reached Milan, and honestly, it felt so nice. It really gave us that European winter vibe. This was our first hotel in Milan. It was very close to the Milan Centrale, which is one of the main and busiest railway station in Milan. So the location was super convenient. So this is the luggage area and a little cute walk-in closet. This is our bathroom with bathtub and European washrooms. And coming out, there's this big mirror in front of me. As you can see, I look so tired here. And this was our room. We had this huge window, although you couldn't see anything outside because it was already dark. And look at this cute little chocolate they had kept for us, such a sweet touch. The next day was a little chaotic to say the least. We had booked a tour to Lake Como, but we were late by literally 10 minutes and the bus left without us. So yes, there was a big fuck up. We then had to figure out the trains and everything ourselves so that we could somehow catch the tour. But unfortunately that didn't happen. It's a whole different story altogether, so maybe I'll tell you guys about it some other time. But we decided not to waste the day, so we took the metro, figured everything out ourselves without internet by the way, and then just went around exploring on our own. It started drizzling, so we stopped at this cute little restaurant for lunch, and here I'm trying all these different sauces because honestly I felt Italian food was a little too basic for my taste and I felt like even the salt was missing. Then we explored the area and headed back to the hotel. In the evening, we went to Duomo, tried Aperol Spritz, had hot chocolate and desserts at Cicchetti, and ended the day with dinner at Benare. The next morning, we started our day like true Italians with a croissant and espresso. Then we went back to Duomo for more clicks. We walked around, explored the area, did some shopping. We took a little lunch break and had burgers, fries, and potato wedges. Later in the evening, I really wanted to check out Starbucks Reserve, so we went there for some caffeine and obviously more desserts. For dinner, we went to Ganesha and had Indian food again. The next day, we took the train to Florence. Our hotel was again super close to the station, which was very convenient for my husband carrying all the bags. We explored the city, had my first gelato and some Indian food, and later tried the famous Pompeii tiramisu. Dinner was a complete fail, so I ended up eating the rajma chawal we had carried from home. The next day was our tour day. We woke up early because we had a full day planned. Our first stop was this beautiful church, and by the way, I absolutely love visiting churches. European churches are just another level of beautiful. The architecture and the detailing, I don't know, there's some kind of energy there. I always feel so peaceful and positive when I'm inside one. We then walked through some beautiful Italian streets before heading to Tuscany for a wine tasting experience. Our host was explaining all the different types of wines, and I was honestly not taking much interest because, as you guys know, I am a teetotaler. So, wine tasting was definitely not my favorite part. They also served pasta along with it, which was okay, nothing extraordinary, but it was fine. From there, we headed to our next spot, the beautiful little town of San Gimignano. It's a very historic town in Italy, and it was honestly so beautiful to just walk around and take in the views. And finally, our last stop for the day was the very famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. Obviously, we had to click the classic pictures, make some videos, and then it was time for Rome. We reached in the evening and headed straight to the famous Trevi Fountain. We walked around, found this cute little cafe, had some Italian food, and an amazing Nutella crepe.
So I've just had my breakfast and it was very bad because everything was sweet. I don't know why they eat so much sweet. और कोल्ड कट खाते हैं यार, कुछ भी गर्म करके नहीं खाते यार. मतलब यहाँ पे शेफ लोगों को मतलब कोई काम ही नहीं उनका, बस ऐसे लाइक कोल्ड कट लिया, बाज़ार से ले लो और काट लो और ठूस लो, दैट्स इट. इतना काम है शेफ लोगों का. और प्लस मैंने यहाँ पे एग्स भी देखे. एग्स ऐसे थे मतलब रनी, पकाया ही नहीं भाई. मतलब शेफ को काम ही नहीं करना, पकाना ही नहीं है कुछ, मतलब गैस खर्च ना हो जाए बस. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद आप आगे बढ़ोगे तो आपको मिलेंगे फ्रूट्स. फ्रूट्स के नाम पे सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें थी. एक तो ये था, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, पाइनएप्पल, और दूसरा था पीच. ठीक है. पीच ठीक ठाक था, मतलब मुझे थोड़ा केमिकली लग रहा था. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे ठीक था, ओके था. इंडिया में मतलब नहीं मिलता पीच वीच, हम नहीं खाते हैं.
कितना खाते हैं.
अरे पर वो ऐसा नहीं होता ना, वो बिल्कुल ऑरेंज से था, तो मतलब अच्छा था. बट ये जो पाइनएप्पल था ये थोड़ा खट्टा सा था. ठीक है. तो आई डेंट लाइक इट. और फिर उसके बाद क्या क्या, फिर उसके आगे चलोगे तो आपको ब्रेड्स मिलेंगी. ठीक है. मोर ब्रेड्स. अब मैं पक गई हूँ ब्रेड से, पक गई हूँ मैं ब्रेड से. ठीक है. ब्रेड्स थी. ब्रेड्स में आपको मीठी ब्रेड मिल जाएगी, और मीठी ब्रेड मिल जाएगी, और मीठी ब्रेड मिल जाएगी, और उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी मीठी ब्रेड मिल जाएगी, और नटेला ब्रेड मिल जाएगी. मीठा मतलब मीठा खाते रहो यार. अरे क्या करना जिंदगी में. ठीक है. मरो.
ये खाओ, एक और खा लो.
एक ये ब्रेड है, रस होता है ना हमारे इंडिया में, बस
अरे गंदा ही होता है.
वही है. ठीक है. तुम खाओ ना. ओके.
And that's it for this part of Italy. You'll see a lot more Rome in my next vlog. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye.
So I would suggest जब भी ले आओ मत लेना breakfast. Don't take breakfast. Okay. Go outside, eat whatever you want to eat, but don't take breakfast. अगर आपको इंडियन पसंद है तो यहाँ पे सरवना भवन है, वहाँ पे कैफे छडोसा मिलता है. एंड
40 रुपये का बिल नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे फ्री में काम हो जाएगा.
तो फ्री में क्या करना, फिर भी तो पैसे तो भरा है ना, 2-4 हज़ार का तो भरा ही है. पर डे कितना पड़ा हमें ब्रेकफास्ट,
इंक्लूडेड है.
कितना
ब्रेड फ्री है.
तो क्या करना ब्रेड खा के यार. मत खाओ ब्रेड. मैं तो बोलूँगी मत खाओ ब्रेड. तुम खाना का एक्स्ट्रा किलो भी ऐड करोगे अपने ट्रैवल में. क्यों करना है ऐड, क्यों करना है भाई. वहाँ जाके निकालना भी तो पड़ेगा ना इंडिया में. तो यहाँ पे क्यों खाना ब्रेड. मत खाओ ब्रेड यार, हद है. I love Italy. I love the roads, I love the people, I love the history, I love the architecture, I love everything about Italy, okay? But I just don't like the food. That is the only thing. This is the first time in my travel I'm missing Indian food, like literally missing. क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्मूदी तक नहीं मिल रही भाई. पोकी बोल मिल रहा है आपको, भी ठंडा होता है, लाइक पोकी बोल ठंडा. ठीक है. तो वेजिटेरियन की तो लगेगी यहाँ पे बहुत. क्या तो तुम अपना हल्दीराम्स के पैकेट उठा के ले आओ. ठीक है. उसमें भी राजमा रसीला होता है एक, और एक होता है लाल मक्खनी, बहुत टेस्टी होता है. दोनों ले आओ 10-10 पैकेट. ठीक है. तुम्हारा काम बन जाएगा. ब्रेड के साथ खा लेना यार अगर चावल नहीं लाने तो. और ठीक है, जी लेंगे. चलो हो गया मेरा रन. बाय. अडियोस अमीगोस. तुम क्या